First, go to Titles tab and add default title into the timeline. Then type number 6 in Roman numerals. Change the font to Blipo Heavy. Increase the scale to 40. Go to the video section, then scale, click the lock icon and change the X value to 130. Go back to the text section, click on Advanced and make the following adjustments. Change the letter space to -7. Disable text fill. Enable the text outline and change the color to white. Change the outline thickness to 15. Click Apply. Now extend the length of the text to 10 seconds. Proceed by adding an adjustment layer above the text. Go to Effects tab, then Borix effect, then scroll down to Grades and Tints, then add the following effect. Go to Effects Settings, change the view to Gradient. Make the following adjustments. Scroll down to Radio Grad and change the Y value to 0.4 and size to 50. Go back to the layer setting and change the blending mode to darken. Now copy everything in the timeline and paste it in the upper tracks. Select the bottom two layers and create a compound clip. Click on the text, then go to Advanced Setting. Change the outline thickness to 4. Click Apply. Select the adjustment layer, then go to Effect Setting and make the following adjustments. Proceed by creating a compound clip. Paste the text and the adjustment layer in the upper track. Delete the adjustment layer. Hide the compound clips. Click on the text, then go to Advanced. Enable text fill. Disable text outline. Change the fill type to gradient and proceed by making the following adjustments. Change the angle to 90 degrees. Click Apply. Now add a palm tree image into the timeline. Change the scale to 187. Change the blending mode to darken. Adjust the opacity to 60%. Go to Position and change the X and Y value as follows. Go to Color panel Adjust the vibrance to -100. Go to Effects tab, then Borix effect. Then add the following effect to the palm tree image. Go to Effect Setting, scroll down to Noise Type, change it to Smooth, adjust the interpolation to Linear, scroll down to Animation, change the flow rate to 0.5. Go to Media and add gradient color image into the timeline. Change the blending mode to darken. Proceed by creating a compound clip and name it the logo layer. And hide the bottom tracks. Select the logo layer, then go to AI Tools. Activate the chroma key. Use the dropper tool to select the black color in the screen. Make the following adjustments. Do the same for the compound clip too. Move the logo layer to the fourth track. Add an adjustment layer to the third track. Go to Effects tab and add the following effect. Go to Effects Setting. Go to Raise and adjust the length to 35 and brightness to 140. Go to Position and change the X value to 0.45. Adjust the blur to 10. Change the threshold to 0. Scroll down to Shimmer. Change the amount value to 20. Go to Phase and add a keyframe. Adjust the phase value to -360. Move the playhead at the end. Add a second keyframe and change the phase value to 0. Go to Alpha. Change the value of raise from alpha to 15. Go to Raise and add a keyframe on length. Change the length value to 0. Move the playhead to 1 minute and 24 seconds. Add a second keyframe and change the length value to 35. Move the playhead to 1 minute and 45 seconds, then add a third keyframe. Change the length value to 0. Add a keyframe on brightness. Move the playhead to 4 seconds and add a second keyframe. Change the brightness value to 0. Go to Effects tab and add a shape mask effect. Move the blade at the start. Add a keyframe on Y value. Change the Y value to -1. Move the blade around 2 minutes and add a second keyframe. Change the Y value to 0. Change the radius to 0. Adjust the blur strength to 60. Now cut the shape mask at around 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Move the blade at 2 minutes and 50 seconds and add a keyframe on opacity. Change the opacity to 0. Move the blade at around 4 seconds and add a second keyframe and change the opacity back to 100. Add a default title into the timeline. Create a compound clip and name it the text layer. Click on the text layer, then proceed by typing the word Grand Theft Auto. Change the font to price down. Go to advanced. Change the line space to -32. Make the following adjustments to the text. Disable the text fill and activate the text outline. Change the outline color to white. Adjust the outline thickness to 13. Click Apply. Go to Compound Clip 2. Copy the adjustment layer and paste it to the text layer. Copy the text and paste it in the upper track. Highlight the bottom 2 tracks and create a compound clip. Click on the text, then go to Advanced. Activate the text fill. Change the outline color to black. Change the outline thickness to 5. Click Apply. Go to the main timeline and copy the adjustment layer. Paste it to the text layer as follows. Proceed by making the following adjustments. Click on the bottom layer, then go to AI Tools and activate the Chroma key. Use the Dropper tool to select the black color in the screen. Proceed by making the following adjustments. Go to the main timeline. Move the period around 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Move the text layer as follows. Click on the text layer, go to basic and adjust the scale to 90. Change the X position to 15. Go to Mask tab and add linear mask. Change the rotation to 270 degrees. Add a keyframe at Y position and change its value to 396. Move few seconds forward, add a second keyframe. Change the Y value to -256. Adjust the blur strength to 15.